284. Solved MCQs on Principles of Management. 1. Which of the following is not a primary function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Budgeting. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Budgeting. 2. The process of setting goals and determining the best way to achieve them is known as A. Controlling. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Planning. Answer is D. Planning. 3. The principle of unity of command states that A. Every employee should receive orders from only one supervisor. B. Every employee should be responsible for their own work. C. Every employee should have multiple supervisors. D. Every employee should have a clear job description. Answer is A. Every employee should receive orders from only one supervisor. 4. Which of the following is not a component of the management process? A. Staffing. B. Leading. C. Monitoring. D. Delegating. Answer is C. Monitoring. 5. The process of dividing work among employees and coordinating their activities is known as A. Staffing. B. Leading. C. Organizing. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Organizing. 6. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective manager? A. Good communication skills. B. Technical expertise. C. Emotional intelligence. D. Micromanagement tendencies. Answer is D. Micromanagement tendencies. 7. The process of influencing and motivating employees to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Staffing. B. Leading. C. Controlling. D. Planning. Answer is B. Leading. 8. Which of the following is an example of an external environmental factor that can affect healthcare organizations? A. Employee turnover. B. Organizational culture. C. Economic conditions. D. Communication barriers. Answer is C. Economic conditions. 9. The principle of equity in management suggests that A. Employees should be treated fairly and impartially. B. Employees should receive the same rewards regardless of their performance. C. Employees should be rewarded based on their seniority. D. Employees should be given equal job responsibilities. Answer is A. Employees should be treated fairly and impartially. 10. Which of the following is not a step in the decision-making process? A. Identifying alternatives. B. Evaluating alternatives. C. Implementing alternatives. D. Documenting alternatives. Answer is D. Documenting alternatives. 11. The process of assessing an organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats is known as A. Benchmarking. B. Controlling. C. Strategic planning. D. SWOT analysis. Answer is D. SWOT analysis. 12. Which of the following leadership styles involves giving employees a high degree of autonomy and decision-making authority? A. Autocratic leadership. B. Laissez-faire leadership. C. Democratic leadership. D. Transactional leadership. Answer is B. Laissez-faire leadership. 13. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective team? A. Clear goals and objectives. B. Open and honest communication. C. Lack of diversity in skills and perspectives. D. Trust and mutual respect. Answer is C. Lack of diversity in skills and perspectives. 14. Which of the following is not one of the four functions of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Controlling. E. Evaluating. Answer is E. Evaluating. 15. Which management theory focuses on the division of labor and specialization? A. Classical management theory. B. Behavioral management theory. C. Contingency management theory. D. Human relations management theory. E. Scientific management theory. Answer is E. Scientific management theory. 16. Which of the following is an example of a strategic management activity? A. Setting performance goals for employees. B. Creating a budget for a department. C. Analyzing market trends and competitors. D. Conducting performance appraisals. E. Training employees on new software. Answer is C. Analyzing market trends and competitors. 17. Which leadership style involves making decisions without seeking input from subordinates? A. Autocratic leadership. B. Participative leadership. C. Democratic leadership. D. Transformational leadership. E. Laissez-faire leadership. Answer is A. Autocratic leadership. 18. Which of the following is not a characteristic of effective communication in a healthcare setting? A. Active listening. B. Clarity and conciseness. C. Use of medical jargon. D. Empathy. E. Feedback. Answer is C. Use of medical jargon. 19. What is the primary purpose of a SWOT analysis in strategic management? A. To identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. B. To establish financial targets and performance metrics. C. To evaluate employee performance and provide feedback. D. To develop a marketing plan and target audience. E. To create a hierarchical organizational structure. Answer is A. To identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. 20. Which of the following is a characteristic of a high-performing team? A. Lack of trust and collaboration. B. Individual goals take precedence over team goals. C. Open and effective communication. D. Resistance to change and innovation. E. Micromanagement by the team leader. Answer is C. Open and effective communication. 21. Which quality management concept focuses on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction? A. Total quality management (TQM). B. Six Sigma. C. Lean management. D. Benchmarking. E. Quality control. Answer is A. Total quality management (TQM). 22. Which ethical principle emphasizes treating individuals fairly and impartially? A. Autonomy. B. Beneficence. C. Non-maleficence. D. Justice. E. Veracity. Answer is D. Justice. 23. Which of the following is a characteristic of a learning organization? A. Hierarchical decision-making process. B. Resistance to change and innovation. C. Lack of employee development opportunities. D. Knowledge sharing and continuous learning. E. Fixed and rigid organizational structure. Answer is D. Knowledge sharing and continuous learning. 25. Which of the following is not one of the principles of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Monitoring. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Monitoring. 26. The process of setting goals and determining the best way to achieve them is known as A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Planning. D. Coordinating. Answer is C. Planning. 27. Which of the following is an example of a formal communication channel in a healthcare organization? A. Grapevine communication. B. Informal meetings. C. Emails. D. Lunchtime conversations. Answer is C. Emails. 28. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective leader in healthcare management? A. Empathy. B. Authoritarianism. C. Integrity. D. Communication skills. Answer is B. Authoritarianism. 29. The process of dividing work into specific jobs and tasks and assigning them to individuals or groups is known as A. Staffing. B. Controlling. C. Organizing. D. Directing. Answer is C. Organizing. 30. Which of the following is an example of an external stakeholder for a healthcare organization? A. Employees. B. Patients. C. Board of Directors. D. Suppliers. Answer is D. Suppliers. 31. The process of comparing actual performance with planned performance and taking corrective actions is called A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Coordinating. D. Delegating. Answer is A. Controlling. 32. Which of the following is a characteristic of an effective team in a healthcare setting? A. Lack of diversity. B. Low levels of communication. C. High levels of trust. D. Individual goals. Answer is C. High levels of trust. 33. The process of influencing and motivating employees to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Planning. D. Coordinating. Answer is B. Leading. 34. Which of the following is not a step in the decision-making process? A. Implementing. B. Identifying alternatives. C. Evaluating alternatives. D. Monitoring. Answer is D. Monitoring. 35. Which of the following is an example of an extrinsic motivator for healthcare employees? A. Job satisfaction. B. Recognition. C. Personal growth. D. Intrinsic motivation. Answer is B. Recognition. 36. The process of attracting, selecting, and retaining qualified individuals for a healthcare organization is known as A. Controlling. B. Staffing. C. Organizing. D. Directing. Answer is B. Staffing. 37. Which of the following leadership styles involves making decisions without consulting others? A. Autocratic. B. Democratic. C. Laissez-faire. D. Participative. Answer is A. Autocratic. 38. Which of the following is an example of a financial resource in a healthcare organization? A. Medical equipment. B. Skilled employees. C. Patient records. D. Funding from donors. Answer is D. Funding from donors. 39. Which of the following is not a principle of management? A. Unity of command. B. Division of labor. C. Hierarchy of needs. D. Scalar chain. Answer is C. Hierarchy of needs. 40. The process of setting objectives and determining how to accomplish them is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Leading. Answer is A. Planning. 41. The division of work among employees is a key principle of management called A. Centralization. B. Decentralization. C. Division of labor. D. Unity of direction. Answer is C. Division of labor. 42. Which of the following refers to the formal relationship between superior and subordinates within an organization? A. Span of control. B. Unity of command. C. Line of authority. D. Scalar chain. Answer is D. Scalar chain. 43. The process of influencing and guiding employees to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Leading. Answer is D. Leading. 44. Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Staffing. B. Controlling. C. Negotiating. D. Directing. Answer is C. Negotiating. 45. The process of monitoring progress, comparing actual performance to planned performance, and taking corrective action is called A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Leading. Answer is C. Controlling. 46. Which of the following refers to the formal power to make decisions and give orders within an organization? A. Authority. B. Responsibility. C. Accountability. D. Delegation. Answer is A. Authority. 47. The coordination of activities and resources to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Leading. Answer is B. Organizing. 48. The principle of management that suggests each employee should receive orders from only one supervisor is called A. Unity of command. B. Division of labor. C. Hierarchy of authority. D. Span of control. Answer is A. Unity of command. 49. The process of assigning tasks, allocating resources, and coordinating activities is part of which management function? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Leading. Answer is B. Organizing. 50. Which of the following refers to the number of employees a manager can effectively supervise? A. Unity of command. B. Division of labor. C. Hierarchy of authority. D. Span of control. Answer is D. Span of control. 51. The principle of management that suggests each employee should have only one direct supervisor is called A. Unity of command. B. Division of labor. C. Hierarchy of authority. D. Scalar chain. Answer is A. Unity of command. 52. Which of the following is an example of an informational role of a manager? A. Making decisions. B. Setting objectives. C. Monitoring performance. D. Disseminating information. Answer is D. Disseminating information. 53. Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Diagnosing. Answer is D. Diagnosing. 54. Which management function involves setting goals and determining the best way to achieve them? A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Organizing. D. Planning. Answer is D. Planning. 55. The process of dividing work into specific jobs and tasks is known as A. Centralization. B. Decentralization. C. Specialization. D. Delegation. Answer is C. Specialization. 56. Which of the following is a characteristic of effective leadership? A. Micromanagement. B. Autocratic decision-making. C. Open communication. D. Task delegation. Answer is C. Open communication. 57. Which management approach emphasizes the importance of individual needs and motivation? A. Classical management. B. Scientific management. C. Behavioral management. D. Contingency management. Answer is C. Behavioral management. 58. The process of influencing and guiding employees to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Controlling. B. Delegating. C. Directing. D. Coordinating. Answer is C. Directing. 59. Which of the following is a characteristic of an effective team? A. Lack of communication. B. Individual goals over team goals. C. Trust and collaboration. D. Micromanagement by the team leader. Answer is C. Trust and collaboration. 60. Which management function involves monitoring performance and taking corrective actions? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Leading. Answer is C. Controlling. 61. The process of assigning authority and responsibility to employees is known as A. Coordination. B. Centralization. C. Delegation. D. Empowerment. Answer is C. Delegation. 62. Which of the following is a characteristic of an effective manager? A. Lack of empathy. B. Inflexibility. C. Strong communication skills. D. Micromanagement. Answer is C. Strong communication skills. 63. The principle of unity of command suggests that A. Employees should have a single supervisor. B. Employees should have multiple supervisors. C. Employees should have no supervisor. D. Employees should work independently. Answer is A. Employees should have a single supervisor. 64. Which management approach focuses on adapting to the specific circumstances and needs of each situation? A. Classical management. B. Scientific management. C. Behavioral management. D. Contingency management. Answer is D. Contingency management. 65. The process of attracting, selecting, and retaining qualified employees is known as A. Staffing. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Controlling. Answer is A. Staffing. 66. Which of the following is an example of an external stakeholder in the healthcare industry? A. Patients. B. Employees. C. Board of Directors. D. Suppliers. Answer is D. Suppliers. 67. Which of the following is an example of a nonverbal communication method? A. Email. B. Phone call. C. Body language. D. Presentation. Answer is A. Email. 68. Which of the following is not a key function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Treating. Answer is D. Treating. 69. Which management principle emphasizes the need for a clear chain of command and authority? A. Unity of command. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of labor. D. Unity of direction. Answer is A. Unity of command. 70. The process of determining organizational goals and the means to achieve them is known as A. Leading. B. Controlling. C. Organizing. D. Planning. Answer is D. Planning. 71. Which of the following refers to the process of assigning tasks, grouping them into departments, and allocating resources? A. Leading. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Staffing. Answer is B. Organizing. 72. The management principle that suggests there should be a single, unified direction for each activity within an organization is known as A. Unity of command. B. Division of labor. C. Unity of direction. D. Scalar chain. Answer is C. Unity of direction. 73. Which management function involves guiding and motivating employees to achieve organizational goals? A. Planning. B. Controlling. C. Leading. D. Staffing. Answer is C. Leading. 74. The management principle that states that each employee should report to only one supervisor is called A. Unity of command. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of labor. D. Unity of direction. Answer is A. Unity of command. 75. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective control system? A. Timeliness. B. Flexibility. C. Complexity. D. Accuracy. Answer is C. Complexity. 76. The process of evaluating and comparing actual performance with planned performance is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Staffing. Answer is C. Controlling. 77. The management principle that suggests that tasks should be divided into specialized jobs is known as A. Unity of command. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of labor. D. Unity of direction. Answer is C. Division of labor. 78. Which of the following is not a characteristic of strategic sourcing in procurement? A. Long-term focus. B. Cost reduction. C. Supplier collaboration. D. Transactional approach. Answer is D. Transactional approach. 79. The process of identifying potential suppliers, soliciting bids, and selecting vendors is known as A. Vendor management. B. Supplier negotiation. C. Request for proposal (RFP). D. Contract administration. Answer is C. Request for proposal (RFP). 80. Which of the following is a key objective of inventory management in procurement? A. Maximizing order quantities. B. Minimizing stockouts. C. Increasing lead times. D. Reducing supplier relationships. Answer is B. Minimizing stockouts. 81. The concept of just-in-time (JIT) inventory management aims to Maximize inventory levels to avoid stockouts. B. Minimize inventory holding costs. C. Maintain a buffer stock at all times. D. Increase lead times for suppliers. Answer is B. Minimize inventory holding costs. 82. In the context of procurement, what does the term RFQ stand for? A. Request for qualifications. B. Request for quotation. C. Request for quality. D. Request for quorum. Answer is B. Request for quotation. 84. What is the primary function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is D. Controlling. 85. Which management function involves setting goals and determining the best way to achieve them? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is A. Planning. 86. Which management function involves arranging resources and tasks to achieve organizational objectives? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is B. Organizing. 87. Which management function involves guiding and motivating employees to accomplish organizational goals? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Leading. 88. Which management function involves monitoring performance and taking corrective actions as needed? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is D. Controlling. 89. Which management theory emphasizes the importance of clear and precise instructions to improve productivity? A. Scientific management. B. Administrative management. C. Human relations management. D. Contingency management. Answer is A. Scientific management. 90. Which management theory focuses on the social and psychological aspects of work, emphasizing employee satisfaction and motivation? A. Scientific management. B. Administrative management. C. Human relations management. D. Contingency management. Answer is C. Human relations management. 91. Which management theory emphasizes the importance of adapting management practices to fit specific situations? A. Scientific management. B. Administrative management. C. Human relations management. D. Contingency management. Answer is D. Contingency management. 92. Which management function involves dividing work into smaller tasks and assigning them to specific individuals or teams? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is B. Organizing. 93. Which management function involves monitoring progress, comparing it to established goals, and making adjustments as necessary? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is D. Controlling. 94. What is the purpose of SWOT analysis in management? A. Identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. B. Developing marketing strategies. C. Allocating resources efficiently. D. Implementing quality improvement initiatives. Answer is A. Identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. 95. Which leadership style involves making all the decisions without consulting subordinates? A. Autocratic leadership. B. Democratic leadership. C. Laissez-faire leadership. D. Transformational leadership. Answer is A. Autocratic leadership. 96. Which leadership style involving subordinates in decision-making processes? A. Autocratic leadership. B. Democratic leadership. C. Laissez-faire leadership. D. Transformational leadership. Answer is B. Democratic leadership. 97. Which leadership style allows employees to have a high degree of freedom and discretion in completing their tasks? A. Autocratic leadership. B. Democratic leadership. C. Laissez-faire leadership. D. Transformational leadership. Answer is C. Laissez-faire leadership. 98. Which of the following is not a principle of management? A. Unity of command. B. Scalar chain. C. Motivation. D. Coordination. Answer is C. Motivation. 99. The principle of unity of command states that A. Each subordinate should have only one supervisor. B. Each supervisor should have multiple subordinates. C. Authority should be centralized in one person. D. All decisions should be made by the top management. Answer is A. Each subordinate should have only one supervisor. 100. According to the principle of scalar chain, communication should follow A vertical hierarchy. B. A horizontal network. C. A circular pattern. D. No specific pattern. Answer is A vertical hierarchy. 101. The principle of equity in management suggests that employees should be treated A. Based on their performance. B. Equally in all situations. C. According to their needs and preferences. D. Based on their length of service. Answer is A. Based on their performance. 102. The principle of centralization and decentralization refers to A. The distribution of authority within an organization. B. The geographic location of different departments. C. The level of employee involvement in decision-making. D. The division of labor among different departments. Answer is A. The distribution of authority within an organization. 103. Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Competing. Answer is D. Competing. 104. The management function that involves assigning tasks, grouping them into departments, and allocating resources is called A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Organizing. D. Staffing. Answer is C. Organizing. 105. Which of the following is a characteristic of an effective leader? A. Micromanaging every task. B. Autocratic decision-making. C. Encouraging and empowering employees. D. Maintaining a strict hierarchy. Answer is C. Encouraging and empowering employees. 106. The process of comparing actual performance with desired goals and taking corrective action is known as A. Controlling. B. Planning. C. Leading. D. Organizing. Answer is A. Controlling. 107. Which of the following is an example of an intangible resource in an organization? A. Machinery and equipment. B. Financial capital. C. Human capital. D. Raw materials. Answer is C. Human capital. 108. The SWOT analysis technique is used to assess an organization's A. Competitive advantage. B. Marketing strategy. C. Financial performance. D. Internal strengths and weaknesses. Answer is D. Internal strengths and weaknesses. 109. Which of the following is a characteristic of a matrix organizational structure? A. Clear hierarchy and chain of command. B. Functional departments working in silos. C. Dual reporting relationships and project teams. D. Centralized decision-making authority. Answer is C. Dual reporting relationships and project teams. 110. The management approach that emphasizes the importance of individual needs and motivation is A. Scientific management. B. Classical management. C. Human relations management. D. Contingency management. Answer is C. Human relations management. 111. Which of the following is not a primary function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Monitoring. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Monitoring. 112. The process of setting organizational goals and determining the best way to achieve them is called A. Controlling. B. Organizing. C. Planning. D. Leading. Answer is C. Planning. 113. Which of the following management functions involves assigning tasks, grouping them into departments, and allocating resources? A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Organizing. D. Evaluating. Answer is C. Organizing. 114. A manager who emphasizes teamwork, motivates employees, and facilitates communication is primarily fulfilling which management function? A. Leading. B. Evaluating. C. Planning. D. Controlling. Answer is A. Leading. 115. The process of comparing actual performance to planned performance and taking corrective action is known as A. Controlling. B. Planning. C. Organizing. D. Leading. Answer is A. Controlling. 116. Which management theory suggests that the most effective management style depends on the situation at hand? A. Scientific management. B. Contingency theory. C. Administrative management. D. Behavioral management. Answer is B. Contingency theory. 117. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective manager? A. Good communication skills. B. Strong technical expertise. C. Micromanagement tendencies. D. Ability to motivate employees. Answer is C. Micromanagement tendencies. 118. Which of the following is an example of an external stakeholder in a healthcare organization? A. Employees. B. Shareholders. C. Suppliers. D. Managers. Answer is C. Suppliers. 119. The process of systematically gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data to make informed decisions is known as A. Controlling. B. Planning. C. Organizing. D. Decision-making. Answer is D. Decision-making. 120. Which of the following is an example of a financial management tool used in procurement? A. SWOT analysis. B. Break-even analysis. C. Performance appraisal. D. Job analysis. Answer is B. Break-even analysis. 121. Which of the following is not one of the four functions of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Evaluating. Answer is D. Evaluating. 122. Which management function involves setting goals, determining strategies, and developing plans to achieve organizational objectives? A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Planning. D. Organizing. Answer is C. Planning. 123. Which management principle suggests that each employee should report to only one manager? A. Unity of direction. B. Scalar chain. C. Span of control. D. Unity of command. Answer is D. Unity of command. 124. Which of the following refers to the process of dividing work activities into manageable tasks? A. Staffing. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Controlling. Answer is B. Organizing. 125. Which leadership style involves making all decisions without consulting employees? A. Laissez-faire leadership. B. Democratic leadership. C. Autocratic leadership. D. Transformational leadership. Answer is C. Autocratic leadership. 126. Which of the following is a characteristic of an effective team? A. Lack of communication. B. Individual goals. C. Trust and collaboration. D. Micromanagement. Answer is C. Trust and collaboration. 127. The SWOT analysis is a tool used in which management function? A. Leading. B. Controlling. C. Planning. D. Organizing. Answer is C. Planning. 128. Which of the following refers to the process of systematically evaluating an employee's performance? A. Controlling. B. Directing. C. Planning. D. Performance appraisal. Answer is D. Performance appraisal. 129. Which management theory emphasizes the importance of understanding individual motivations to improve employee performance? A. Scientific management. B. Systems theory. C. Human relations theory. D. Contingency theory. Answer is C. Human relations theory. 130. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a well-defined goal? A. Specific. B. Measurable. C. Ambiguous. D. Time-bound. Answer is C. Ambiguous. 131. Which of the following is not a primary function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Procurement. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Procurement. 132. The process of setting organizational goals and determining the best ways to achieve them is known as A. Leading. B. Controlling. C. Planning. D. Organizing. Answer is C. Planning. 133. Which of the following is an example of an interpersonal role of a manager? A. Decisional role. B. Informational role. C. Figurehead role. D. Resource allocator role. Answer is C. Figurehead role. 134. The process of dividing work among employees and coordinating their activities is called A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is B. Organizing. 135. The process of monitoring employee performance, comparing it with goals, and taking corrective action as needed is called A. Leading. B. Controlling. C. Planning. D. Organizing. Answer is B. Controlling. 136. Which of the following is an example of an informational role of a manager? A. Negotiator. B. Leader. C. Disseminator. D. Entrepreneur. Answer is C. Disseminator. 137. The process of influencing and motivating employees to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Planning. B. Controlling. C. Leading. D. Organizing. Answer is C. Leading. 138. The management function that involves assembling and coordinating resources to achieve organizational goals is A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is B. Organizing. 139. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective goal? A. Specific. B. Measurable. C. Attainable. D. Random. Answer is D. Random. 140. The process of attracting, developing, and retaining qualified employees is known as A. Performance management. B. Employee engagement. C. Human resource management. D. Succession planning. Answer is C. Human resource management. 141. Which of the following is not a step in the decision-making process? A. Identifying alternatives. B. Evaluating alternatives. C. Implementing alternatives. D. Controlling alternatives. Answer is D. Controlling alternatives. 142. The management function that involves monitoring employee performance and taking corrective action is A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is D. Controlling. 143. The process of dividing organizational tasks into individual jobs is known as A. Job design. B. Job enrichment. C. Job enlargement. D. Job analysis. Answer is D. Job analysis. 144. Which of the following is an example of an external stakeholder? A. Employees. B. Shareholders. C. Suppliers. D. Managers. Answer is C. Suppliers. 145. The process of assigning authority and responsibility for achieving organizational goals is called A. Span of control. B. Delegation. C. Centralization. D. Decentralization. Answer is B. Delegation. 147. Which of the following is not a primary function of management? Answer is C. Evaluating. 148. The process of dividing work into specific jobs and tasks and assigning them to individuals or groups is known as. Answer is C. Organizing. 159. The four functions of management include all of the following except. Answer D. Marketing. 150. Which of the following management theories focuses on the importance of individual needs, motivation, and satisfaction? Answer is B. Behavioral management theory. 151. The process of monitoring performance, comparing it with goals, and taking corrective action is known as. Answer is A. Controlling. 152. A procurement officer's role primarily involves. Answer is B. Sourcing and purchasing goods and services for an organization. 153. Effective communication in procurement management is essential because it. Answer is D. Helps to establish and maintain strong relationships with suppliers and stakeholders. 154. The term strategic sourcing refers to. Answer is A proactive and structured approach to sourcing goods and services to achieve long-term objectives. 155. The procurement process typically includes the following steps, except. Answer is C. Sales forecasting. 156. A procurement officer's ethical responsibility includes. Answer is D. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and integrity in the procurement process. 157. Which of the following is not a key principle of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Delegating. Answer is D. 158. The purpose of strategic management is to. A. Develop detailed action plans for daily operations. B. Evaluate and control day-to-day activities. C. Align organizational goals with the external environment. D. Monitor and measure the performance of employees. Answer is C. 159. The process of determining the organization's goals and the means to achieve them is known as. A. Controlling. B. Organizing. C. Planning. D. Leading. Answer is C. 160. Which of the following is an example of a core function of management? A. Hiring and training new employees. B. Conducting performance appraisals. C. Scheduling employee shifts. D. Developing marketing strategies. Answer is B. 161. The four functions of management include. A. Planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. B. Analyzing, implementing, coordinating, and evaluating. C. Communicating, negotiating, supervising, and monitoring. D. Initiating, assessing, executing, and improving. Answer is A. 162. Which of the following is an essential characteristic of an effective manager? A. Being authoritative and directive at all times. B. Micromanaging every aspect of the team's work. C. Encouraging open communication and teamwork. D. Focusing solely on individual tasks and responsibilities. Answer is C. 163. The process of dividing work and allocating resources to achieve organizational objectives is called. A. Leading. B. Controlling. C. Organizing. D. Planning. Answer is C. 164. A procurement officer's role primarily involves. A. Managing financial resources within the organization. B. Overseeing the acquisition of goods and services. C. Establishing long-term strategic goals for the department. D. Developing marketing campaigns to promote procurement activities. Answer is B. 165. The concept of span of control refers to. A. The number of subordinates a manager directly supervises. B. The hierarchical levels within an organization. C. The extent of authority held by top-level managers. D. The division of work among different departments. Answer is A. 166. The process of monitoring performance, comparing it with goals, and taking corrective action is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is D. 167. Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Staffing. D. Marketing. Answer is D. Marketing. 168. Which management function involves setting goals and determining the best course of action to achieve those goals? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Controlling. Answer is A. Planning. 169. The process of dividing work and assigning tasks to employees is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is B. Organizing. 170. Effective leadership involves A. Influencing and guiding employees. B. Monitoring and evaluating performance. C. Developing policies and procedures. D. Implementing control mechanisms. Answer is A. Influencing and guiding employees. 171. The management principle that suggests employees should report to only one supervisor is known as A. Unity of direction. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of work. D. Unity of command. Answer is D. Unity of command. 172. Which management function involves motivating employees, resolving conflicts, and providing guidance? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Leading. 173. The process of monitoring performance, comparing it with goals, and taking corrective actions is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is D. Controlling. 174. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective manager? A. Technical skills. B. Emotional intelligence. C. Autocratic leadership style. D. Decision-making skills. Answer is C. Autocratic leadership style. 175. The management principle that suggests there should be a clear and unbroken line of authority from top to bottom is known as A. Unity of direction. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of work. D. Unity of command. Answer is B. Scalar chain. 176. Which management function involves acquiring and retaining qualified employees for the organization? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Staffing. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Staffing. 177. The management principle that suggests each employee should have only one designated supervisor is known as A. Unity of direction. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of work. D. Unity of command. Answer is D. Unity of command. 178. Which leadership style involves giving employees full authority and responsibility for their work? A. Autocratic. B. Laissez-faire. C. Democratic. D. Transactional. Answer is B. Laissez-faire. 179. The process of identifying future organizational goals and determining the best way to achieve them is known as A. Leading. B. Controlling. C. Organizing. D. Planning. Answer is D. Planning. 180. The management function that involves arranging resources and activities to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Organizing. D. Staffing. Answer is C. Organizing. 181. Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Staffing. D. Marketing. Answer is D. Marketing. 182. Which management function involves setting goals and determining the best course of action to achieve those goals? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Controlling. Answer is A. Planning. 183. The process of dividing work and assigning tasks to employees is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is B. Organizing. 184. Effective leadership involves A. Influencing and guiding employees. B. Monitoring and evaluating performance. C. Developing policies and procedures. D. Implementing control mechanisms. Answer is A. Influencing and guiding employees. 185. The management principle that suggests employees should report to only one supervisor is known as A. Unity of direction. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of work. D. Unity of command. Answer is D. Unity of command. 186. Which management function involves motivating employees, resolving conflicts, and providing guidance? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Leading. 187. The process of monitoring performance, comparing it with goals, and taking corrective actions is known as A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Controlling. Answer is D. Controlling. 188. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective manager? A. Technical skills. B. Emotional intelligence. C. Autocratic leadership style. D. Decision-making skills. Answer is C. Autocratic leadership style. 189. The management principle that suggests there should be a clear and unbroken line of authority from top to bottom is known as A. Unity of direction. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of work. D. Unity of command. Answer is B. Scalar chain. 190. Which management function involves acquiring and retaining qualified employees for the organization? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Staffing. D. Controlling. Answer C. Staffing. 191. The management principle that suggests each employee should have only one designated supervisor is known as A. Unity of direction. B. Scalar chain. C. Division of work. D. Unity of command. Answer is D. Unity of command. 192. Which leadership style involves giving employees full authority and responsibility for their work? A. Autocratic. B. Laissez-faire. C. Democratic. D. Transactional. Answer is B. Laissez-faire. 193. The process of identifying future organizational goals and determining the best way to achieve them is known as A. Leading. B. Controlling. C. Organizing. D. Planning. Answer D. Planning. 194. The management function that involves arranging resources and activities to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Organizing. D. Staffing. Answer is C. Organizing. 195. Which of the following is not a principle of management? A. Unity of command. B. Span of control. C. Division of labor. D. Unity of direction. Answer is B. Span of control. 196. The principle of unity of command suggests that A. Each employee should have only one supervisor. B. The organization should have a clear chain of command. C. Employees should work in teams for increased efficiency. D. Managers should delegate authority to subordinates. Answer A. Each employee should have only one supervisor. 197. The principle of division of labor refers to A. Allocating work among employees based on their skills and abilities. B. Combining tasks to create more specialized job roles. C. Ensuring clear communication channels within the organization. D. Promoting teamwork and collaboration among employees. Answer is B. Combining tasks to create more specialized job roles. 198. The principle of scalar chain emphasizes the importance of clear and formal communication channels. B. The need for coordination and cooperation among employees. C. The hierarchy of authority within the organization. D. The allocation of resources based on priority. Answer is the importance of clear and formal communication channels. 199. Which principle of management focuses on the fair division of responsibilities and authority? Discipline. B. Equity. C. Unity of command. D. Initiative. Answer is B. Equity. 200. The principle of esprit de corps emphasizes the need for employees to develop their skills and knowledge. B. The importance of teamwork and team spirit. C. The fair and equitable treatment of employees. D. The delegation of authority and responsibility. Answer is B. The importance of teamwork and team spirit. 201. Which principle of management suggests that employees should be motivated and encouraged to take on new challenges? Initiative. B. Division of labor. C. Unity of command. D. Unity of direction. Answer is initiative. 202. According to the principle of centralization, decision-making authority should be distributed among employees at all levels of the organization. B. Concentrated at the top levels of management. C. Shared equally among all employees. D. Delegated to external consultants. Answer is B. Concentrated at the top levels of management. 203. The principle of stability of tenure of personnel suggests that employees should be retained in their positions for a longer period of time. B. Employees should be rotated among different job roles for skill development. C. The organization should be adaptable and flexible in its operations. D. Employees should have a clear understanding of their roles and responsibilities. Answer is employees should be retained in their positions for a longer period of time. 104. Which principle of management focuses on the efficient use of resources to achieve organizational goals? Unity of direction. B. Equity. C. Division of labor. D. Economy. Answer is D. Economy. 105. The principle of remuneration suggests that employees should be rewarded and recognized for their performance. B. Provided with comprehensive training and development opportunities. C. Involved in the decision-making process. D. Assigned tasks based on their skills and abilities. Answer is rewarded and recognized for their performance. 206. Which of the following is not a function of management? Planning. B. Controlling. C. Procuring. D. Organizing. Answer is C. Procuring. 207. The process of setting goals and determining the best way to achieve them is known as organizing. B. Controlling. C. Leading. D. Planning. Answer is D. Planning. 208. The term span of control refers to the number of subordinates a manager directly supervises. B. The hierarchy of authority within an organization. C. The amount of control a manager has over their subordinates. D. The length of time a manager has been in their position. Answer is the number of subordinates a manager directly supervises. 209. Which of the following is an example of an interpersonal role for a manager? Negotiating contracts with suppliers. B. Analyzing financial reports. C. Motivating employees. D. Implementing new technology. Answer is C. Motivating employees. 210. The process of monitoring progress toward goals and making adjustments as necessary is known as planning. B. Leading. C. Controlling. D. Organizing. Answer is C. Controlling. 211. Which of the following is an example of a financial resource in a healthcare organization? A. Medical equipment. B. Staff expertise. C. Patient records. D. Budgetary funds. Answer is D. Budgetary funds. 212. The process of dividing work into smaller tasks and assigning them to specific individuals or groups is called A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Leading. Answer is B. Organizing. 213. A procurement officer's primary responsibility is to A. Hire and train new employees. B. Develop marketing strategies. C. Manage the purchasing of goods and services. D. Implement quality control measures. Answer is C. Manage the purchasing of goods and services. 214. The concept of unity of command states that A. Each employee should report to multiple managers. B. Employees should only report to one manager. C. Managers should report to their subordinates. D. Managers should have control over all employees in the organization. Answer is B. Employees should only report to one manager. 215. The process of motivating, guiding, and directing employees to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Planning. B. Leading. C. Controlling. D. Organizing. Answer is B. Leading. 216. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective manager? A. Strong technical skills. B. Effective communication. C. Micromanaging employees. D. Decision-making abilities. Answer is C. Micromanaging employees. 217. The concept of delegation involves A. Assigning tasks and authority to employees. B. Taking on all tasks and responsibilities personally. C. Avoiding responsibility for decision-making. D. Eliminating the need for teamwork. Answer is A. Assigning tasks and authority to employees. 218. The process of measuring performance against established standards and taking corrective action is part of A. Leading. B. Controlling. C. Organizing. D. Planning. Answer is B. Controlling. 219. Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Planning. B. Controlling. C. Procuring. D. Organizing. Answer is C. Procuring. 220. The process of setting organizational goals and deciding on the best course of action to achieve those goals is known as A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Organizing. D. Planning. Answer is D. Planning. 221. The term that refers to the division of labor and coordination of activities within an organization is A. Organizing. B. Staffing. C. Directing. D. Controlling. Answer is A. Organizing. 222. Which of the following describes the ability to influence and motivate others to achieve organizational goals? A. Leading. B. Planning. C. Controlling. D. Staffing. Answer is A. Leading. 223. The process of evaluating performance, comparing it with established standards, and taking corrective action is called A. Staffing. B. Controlling. C. Directing. D. Organizing. Answer is B. Controlling. 224. The practice of assigning decision-making authority to lower-level employees is known as A. Centralization. B. Decentralization. C. Delegation. D. Empowerment. Answer is B. Decentralization. 225. A formal system of task and authority relationships that controls how employees use resources to achieve organizational goals is called A. Chain of command. B. Span of control. C. Organizational structure. D. Line of authority. Answer is C. Organizational structure. 226. The process of attracting, selecting, and retaining qualified individuals to fill job vacancies within an organization is known as A. Staffing. B. Leading. C. Controlling. D. Organizing. Answer is A. Staffing. 227. Which of the following refers to the ability to understand and work well with individuals from diverse backgrounds? A. Technical skills. B. Interpersonal skills. C. Conceptual skills. D. Cultural intelligence. Answer is D. Cultural intelligence. 228. The process of systematically gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data to make informed business decisions is known as A. Benchmarking. B. Forecasting. C. Decision-making. D. Controlling. Answer is C. Decision-making. 229. The theory of management that focuses on finding the best way to increase efficiency and productivity through systematic study and experimentation is known as A. Scientific management. B. Human relations approach. C. Systems theory. D. Contingency theory. Answer is A. Scientific management. 230. Which of the following leadership styles involves a leader who makes decisions without seeking input from subordinates? A. Autocratic. B. Democratic. C. Laissez-faire. D. Transformational. Answer is A. Autocratic. 231. The process of identifying and analyzing potential future events and conditions that may impact an organization is called A. Strategic planning. B. SWOT analysis. C. Risk management. D. Contingency planning. Answer is D. Contingency planning. 232. Which of the following is not one of the four functions of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Researching. Answer is D. 233. The process of setting goals and determining the best way to achieve them is known as A. Controlling. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Planning. Answer is D. 234. Which management function involves assigning tasks, grouping tasks into departments, and allocating resources? A. Planning. B. Controlling. C. Organizing. D. Directing. Answer is C. 235. The span of management refers to A. The number of employees a manager supervises. B. The hierarchical level of a manager in the organization. C. The type of management style used by a manager. D. The geographic area a manager is responsible for. Answer is A. 236. The process of monitoring performance, comparing it with goals, and taking corrective action is known as A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Planning. D. Organizing. Answer is A. 237. Which of the following management theories emphasizes the importance of individual needs and motivation in the workplace? A. Scientific management. B. Administrative management. C. Behavioral management. D. Contingency management. Answer is C. 238. The concept of unity of command states that A. Employees should report to only one supervisor. B. Employees should have a clear understanding of their roles and responsibilities. C. Employees should work together in teams to achieve organizational goals. D. Employees should have the necessary resources to perform their tasks. Answer is A. 239. Which management function involves guiding and influencing employees to achieve organizational goals? A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Planning. D. Organizing. Answer is B. 240. The contingency approach to management suggests that there is one best way to manage in all situations. B. Managers should adapt their approach based on the specific circumstances. C. Managers should focus on maximizing efficiency and productivity. D. Management principles are universal and can be applied in any situation. Answer is B. 241. Which of the following is an example of an interpersonal role of a manager? A. Monitoring performance. B. Setting goals. C. Negotiating contracts. D. Analyzing financial reports. Answer is C. 242. Which of the following best defines management? A. The process of achieving organizational goals through effective use of resources. B. The act of controlling and monitoring employees' performance. C. The ability to make quick decisions in a high-pressure environment. D. The process of organizing and filing documents. Answer is A. The process of achieving organizational goals through effective use of resources. 243. Which of the following is not a primary function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Documenting. Answer is D. Documenting. 244. The process of setting goals, establishing strategies, and outlining tasks required to accomplish organizational objectives is known as A. Organizing. B. Controlling. C. Planning. D. Directing. Answer is C. Planning. 245. The principle of management that suggests that each employee should report to only one manager is known as A. Unity of command. B. Scalar chain. C. Span of control. D. Division of labor. Answer is A. Unity of command. 246. Which of the following is a characteristic of an effective leader? A. Micromanaging employees. B. Avoiding delegation of tasks. C. Empowering and motivating employees. D. Relying solely on authority. Answer is C. Empowering and motivating employees. 247. The process of comparing actual performance with desired performance and taking corrective actions is known as A. Organizing. B. Controlling. C. Directing. D. Delegating. Answer is B. Controlling. 248. Which of the following is not a factor influencing the span of control? A. Complexity of tasks. B. Competence of subordinates. C. Geographic dispersion. D. Organizational size. Answer is D. Organizational size. 249. The technique used to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable parts is called A. Delegation. B. Division of labor. C. Centralization. D. Authority. Answer is B. Division of labor. 250. The process of influencing and guiding employees to achieve organizational goals is known as A. Motivation. B. Communication. C. Leadership. D. Decision making. Answer is C. Leadership. 251. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective team? A. Shared goals. B. Open communication. C. Lack of diversity. D. Mutual trust and respect. Answer is C. Lack of diversity. 252. The management approach that emphasizes the importance of individual needs, attitudes, and motivation is called A. Scientific management. B. Administrative management. C. Human relations management. D. Bureaucratic management. Answer is C. Human relations management. 253. The process of acquiring, evaluating, and selecting suppliers is known as A. Procurement. B. Inventory management. C. Quality control. D. Risk management. Answer is A. Procurement. 254. Which of the following is not a component of the procurement process? A. Negotiation and contract management. B. Supplier performance evaluation. C. Budgeting and financial management. D. Demand forecasting and planning. Answer is C. Budgeting and financial management. 255. Which of the following is not a primary function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Directing. D. Monitoring. Answer is D. 256. The management principle that focuses on ensuring each employee is aware of their roles and responsibilities is known as A. Unity of command. B. Span of control. C. Authority and responsibility. D. Division of labor. Answer is D. 257. In the context of procurement, strategic sourcing refers to A. The purchase of goods and services at the lowest cost possible. B. The identification and selection of suppliers based on long-term business goals and objectives. C. The negotiation of contracts to maximize profitability. D. The evaluation of supplier performance based on key performance indicators. Answer is B. 258. Which of the following is an example of an external factor that can influence the procurement process? A. Employee morale. B. Budget constraints. C. Technological advancements. D. Government regulations. Answer is D. 259. The management function that involves dividing work into specific tasks and assigning them to individuals or groups is called A. Planning. B. Controlling. C. Organizing. D. Leading. Answer is C. 260. The procurement officer's role in risk management includes A. Identifying potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate them. B. Implementing risk avoidance measures. C. Transferring all risks to suppliers through contracts. D. Ignoring risks as they are beyond the scope of procurement. Answer is A. 261. Which of the following is not a characteristic of effective communication in procurement? A. Clarity and conciseness. B. Feedback and verification. C. Exclusive use of written communication. D. Active listening. Answer is D. 262. The process of systematically reviewing and evaluating the performance of suppliers is known as A. Supplier development. B. Supplier relationship management. C. Supplier evaluation and selection. D. Supplier performance measurement. Answer is D. 263. The management principle that suggests a subordinate should receive orders from only one superior is called A. Unity of command. B. Span of control. C. Scalar chain. D. Centralization. Answer is A. 264. Which of the following is a characteristic of a centralized procurement system? A. Decision-making authority is dispersed throughout the organization. B. Procurement decisions are made by multiple departments. C. Procurement activities are consolidated under a central authority. D. Procurement functions are outsourced to third-party vendors. Answer is C. 265. Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Budgeting. Answer is D. Budgeting. 266. The process of setting goals and determining the best course of action to achieve them is known as A. Organizing. B. Controlling. C. Leading. D. Planning. Answer is D. Planning. 267. A hospital's mission statement typically addresses its A. Organizational structure. B. Strategic objectives. C. Financial goals. D. Employee performance. Answer is B. Strategic objectives. 268. Which management approach emphasizes the importance of teamwork and collaboration? A. Scientific management. B. Classical management. C. Behavioral management. D. Contingency management. Answer is C. Behavioral management. 269. The process of dividing work among individuals and coordinating their efforts is known as A. Organizing. B. Planning. C. Controlling. D. Leading. Answer is A. Organizing. 270. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an effective leader? A. Empathy. B. Decisiveness. C. Authoritarianism. D. Integrity. Answer is C. Authoritarianism. 271. The concept of span of control refers to a. The number of employees reporting to a manager. B. The hierarchy of authority in an organization. C. The process of performance appraisal. D. The delegation of tasks to subordinates. Answer is a. The number of employees reporting to a manager. 272. Which of the following is an example of an operational plan? A. Strategic plan. B. Project plan. C. Financial plan. D. Production plan. Answer is D. Production plan. 273. The process of comparing actual performance with planned performance and taking corrective action if necessary is called A. Organizing. B. Leading. C. Controlling. D. Planning. Answer is C. Controlling. 274. The concept of unity of command suggests that A. Each employee should report to multiple managers. B. Each employee should have a single supervisor. C. Each employee should have a clear job description. D. Each employee should have access to relevant information. Answer is B. Each employee should have a single supervisor. 275. Which management theorist proposed the hierarchy of needs theory? A. Frederick Taylor. B. Abraham Maslow. C. Douglas McGregor. D. Henri Fayol. Answer is B. Abraham Maslow. 276. Which of the following is an example of an external stakeholder for a hospital? A. Patients. B. Doctors. C. Nurses. D. Administrators. Answer is A. Patients. 277. Which of the following is not a step in the decision-making process? A. Identifying alternatives. B. Evaluating alternatives. C. Implementing alternatives. D. Assigning blame. Answer is D. Assigning blame. 278. Which type of power is based on an individual's personal characteristics and qualities? A. Reward power. B. Coercive power. C. Legitimate power. D. Referent power. Answer is D. Referent power. 279. Which of the following is not a primary function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Leading. D. Monitoring. Answer is D. Monitoring. 280. The process of setting goals and determining the best way to achieve them is known as A. Controlling. B. Leading. C. Organizing. D. Planning. Answer is D. Planning. 281. Which of the following statements best describes the concept of span of control? A. The number of subordinates reporting to a manager. B. The hierarchy of authority within an organization. C. The allocation of resources to different departments. D. The extent to which employees are involved in decision-making. Answer is A. The number of subordinates reporting to a manager. 282. Effective communication in management is characterized by A. Centralized decision-making. B. Lack of feedback from employees. C. Clear and concise messages. D. Strict adherence to rules and procedures. Answer is C. Clear and concise messages. 283. Which of the following leadership styles involves making all decisions without consulting employees? A. Democratic leadership. B. Autocratic leadership. C. Laissez-faire leadership. D. Transformational leadership. Answer is B. Autocratic leadership. 284. The process of dividing work activities into manageable tasks is known as A. Coordination. B. Delegation. C. Specialization. D. Empowerment. Answer is C. Specialization.